welcome back to another recipe episode of In the Kitchen with Sandy, and today I am sharing with you a recipe for my pumpkin loaf with chocolate chips. You're gonna love this recipe. It's simple, it's easy, it smells amazing when it's in the oven, it tastes amazing in your mouth, it's great with coffee, ice cream, whatever you want to have it with, but 'tis the season for pumpkin spice. So we are making the pumpkin loaf with chocolate chips, and it's phenomenal, and you're gonna love it. So let's get started. All right, let me show you what I've already got going on here. In here is about a half a cup of oil, 2 eggs, and just a can of the canned pumpkin. This is not the like the pumpkin pie filling, whatever, that already has the spices in it. This is the canned pumpkin. You can use the pumpkin pie filling that's already seasoned with pumpkin spice if you like. I do not have that on hand, so I had to make my own pumpkin spice here. And if you want this recipe, it's very simple, very easy. It's just ginger, nutmeg, cinnamon, and a little allspice. I did not include allspice because I am not a fan of allspice. Never have been, never will be. But if you want to add the allspice, you go right ahead. That smells phenomenal. In here I've got 2 cups of flour. I have got a teaspoon and a half of baking soda, a teaspoon and a half of baking powder. I got about 3/4 cup of brown sugar, a half a cup of white granulated sugar, and here I've got about, oh, this is probably about 2 tablespoons of that pumpkin pie spice. Very simple, very easy. We're going to combine all this, mix all this together, and it's going to come together amazing. Let me get my first thing. I gotta find what I'm doing here. Let's go ahead and get this combined really well. Oh, it smells good already. Oh, just pumpkin spice, everything. And this we're gonna take, I was looking for my big fork. I've got what they call this, like, huge fork. And I found it. And then we're just gonna stir this really well, combine it. And this is just oil and eggs. And we're gonna add a little bit of milk to this. Looks like a lot more oil, but it's not. It's only about a half a cup of oil. This bread, or loaf, what have you, whatever you want to call it, loaf, bread, cake, whatever, comes together so easy, and it's absolutely the most moist loaf you will ever eat. Look at that. And then we're going to combine this into the dry ingredients. Normally you do the dry to the wet, but guess what? I use the bigger bowl for the dry. So we're going to go from wet to dry. Kind of like your nursing basics, huh? Wet to dry. I'm going to get every bit of that out. Don't think I'm not. I've got my oven preset, preheating on 350. And you want to spray your pans, whatever pan you use, loaf pan, you know, liberally with cooking spray, non-stick cooking spray, so it does not stick. We're going to give that a mix, and we're going to also add a little bit of milk in with this. I like mine to be just a little tiny bit more wet going in, and that way it ensures a nice, moist, delicious loaf. Just give it a stir. And now what we're going to do is we're going to add the chocolate chips. I bought the semi-sweet chocolate chips. That's just my preference. You know, it'd be really good is the dark. The dark would be really good in this as well. You can add as much or as little of this as you want. And of course, you know, I gotta pop a few in my mouth first. You don't want a whole lot. Who am I kidding? Yes, we do. And then just combine it. You know what? I think I want a few more than that. And a couple for the mouth again. Lord have mercy. What do you think, guys? Is that enough? I am going to, sorry about the noise. If I could find my ladle, it would be much easier. It would be much easier to ladle that out than it is to, I'll just put it in here like this. No biggie. I know where my ladle's at. To the back of my car because I took soup, homemade potato soup into work the other day. So we're just gonna fill these about a half to 3/4 the way up. Look at that. How easy was that, guys? Seriously. It smells so good. Look at that. These are like 3/4 the way full. Look, they are loaded with the chocolate chips. Yummy. Oh, and it smells so good. I'm going to pop this in the oven at 350 for about 35-45 minutes until they're done. I'll let you know the exact time when we come back, and be prepared for some deliciousness. Oh, I want you to look at that. Look at that. Look how beautiful that pumpkin bread is with chocolate chips. It looks amazing. It's nice. It's soft. We're going to let it cool for about 20 minutes and then we're going to cut into it. Look at this. My house smells amazing. I want you to look how beautiful that pumpkin chocolate chip loaf is. It baked in the oven on 350 for about 50 minutes exactly. And it's still nice and warm, and I've already taken it out. So let's go ahead and cut into it. Oh, I want you to look how beautiful it is. Look at that. Look at the moisture in that thing. Look how beautiful it is. I'm cutting me another piece. I'm not an end piece type person. I gotta cut me a piece. Oh, that is gorgeous. Look at that. It's still hot, friends. Look at that. Look how gorgeous that is. It's got chocolate chips just dancing around all in it. I got to try a bite. Got to bring you up this way. Not trying to make you jealous, but look at this. This is absolutely phenomenal. Oh my goodness. It is so moist. Look at that. Delicious. Look how juicy. I ain't juicy, it's moist. Chocolate chips just dancing throughout it. So much for me cooking dinner tonight, huh? I can't tell you how good this is. You're just having to make it for yourself. Yes, I'm gonna make you watch me eat this whole piece. I'm kidding. You can taste the nutmeg in there. The cinnamon. It's amazing. And it made 2 little loaves. I wanted to make 3, but it only made 2, but that's alright. Perfect for giving. You know, wrapping it up for Christmas. Well, not this one, but, you know, later on down the road here when we get closer to Christmas. Perfect for gift giving. They're cheap to make. You already have your flour on hand, your cinnamon, all your good stuff. Can of pumpkins like $2. That is so good. I'm gonna need a nap. I've filmed all day. I'm gonna need a nap after eating. Take a good look at that again. Look how beautiful that is. Make sure you give this a try this weekend. or sometime soon, if not this weekend. It smells phenomenal. It tastes phenomenal. It melts in your mouth. It's delicious. It's got pumpkin and chocolate chips throughout. It is delicious, amazing. Make you a pot of coffee. Get you a nice big chunk of it and enjoy. I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you already haven't. I welcome all my new subscribers. I'm getting a lot of them lately, and I appreciate each and every one of you. I appreciate your comments. I love you guys so very much, and I will see you on the next recipe episode.